All right, guys. So we got going on this week, week 21 here of the school year. That means we're over halfway. It's all downhill from here, right? So Monday, what we got going on is this cheat sheet activity. We're just going to complete that together in class. There's going to be a little bit of time for you to try some extra problems. That's just to make sure we're all on the same page from last week. Wednesday, you have types of reaction lab. So you're going to watch this video. So what you'll do is you'll download this. And if you look at the document, looks like this. Give it a second here. So we have our 5 types. Each one's only been used once. Evidence of chemical change can be used more than once, just once, or not at all. So we have our 4 evidences of chemical change. Energy, remember this: temperature, sound, or light; color change, solid formation, or gas formation. So based off of this information right here, compound, 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 you'll be able to identify the type of reaction. And then what's the thing that you see that helps you? Think back to the cheat sheet activity and evidence of chemical change you see in the video. You'll do that for your 5 reactions, and then we'll review that as a nice review activity on Thursday. So Thursday we'll review that lab, and then we're going to download and complete the chemical reactions PhET lab. You'll need to use this link right here, whether it's split screen or vice versa, and you'll just follow the directions in the lab. And that's it. All right, guys, love you, appreciate you. Have a great week.